Winter Wonderland in London, riding the very famous Olympia Looping, also known here as München Looping, the world's biggest transportable coaster and my absolute favourite ride. So this ride opened in 1989 and has travelled all over Europe and is definitely the staple of Winter Wonderland here. So I'm with Scott from Coaster Force and Upstart Media. How are you doing?
I'm doing awesome. As a huge roller coaster and a huge Schwarzkopf fan, this is like the holy grail of Schwarzkopf coasters. Any chance I can ride it, I take advantage of that. I love this ride.
Oh, absolutely.
Oh, it's one of the best.
Are you ready?
I hope so.
I am ready. Look at that skyline. Here we go. Hey. Done. You ready for round two?
Ready for round two. I can feel my face like it's out.
It's definitely brisk tonight, that's for sure.
Yeah, a little chilly, a little chilly.
Getting in the festive vibe though. Such an old ride, it's so smooth.
It's crazy how smooth it is.
Yeah.
The fact that this runs better than most modern roller coasters.
It is.
It's 35 years old and portable. Just Anton was so far ahead of its time.
And they've kept it in such good condition. Now even features magnetic brakes. It's running so well. Definitely the best example of this kind of ride worldwide, for sure. So that is München Looping here at Winter Wonderland. Make sure you come out and ride it. It's here till early January. Thanks, Scott.
Well, thank you.
We'll see you in the next one.